Conduct market research to identify trends and emerging technologies that have the potential for long-term growth in the digital product space. Analyze the competitive landscape to understand the key players in the market and identify any gaps or opportunities for new products. Identify your target audience and their needs and preferences to ensure that your digital product will meet a real market demand. Consider the scalability of your digital product, including the ability to expand its features and functionalities as the market evolves. Evaluate the monetization strategy for your digital product, including potential revenue streams such as subscriptions, in-app purchases, or advertising. Assess the technical feasibility of your digital product, including the resources and technology required to develop and maintain it. Create a detailed roadmap for the development and launch of your digital product, including key milestones and timelines. Build a cross-functional team with expertise in product development, design, marketing, and customer support to support the growth of your digital product. Test and iterate on your digital product to gather feedback from early users and make improvements based on their insights. Develop a marketing and promotion strategy to raise awareness of your digital product and attract new users. Monitor key metrics and KPIs to track the growth and performance of your digital product over time. Stay informed about industry trends and changes in consumer behavior to adapt your digital product strategy accordingly. Foster a culture of innovation and continuous improvement within your team to ensure that your digital product remains competitive in the market. Build strong relationships with customers and solicit their feedback regularly to understand their needs and preferences. Stay flexible and be willing to pivot or adjust your strategy as needed to capitalize